got some side markers we're going to be installing today, as well as a front emblem and looks like a rear emblem. How much did you buy all this for?
It's actually not as expensive as I thought.
Isn't this like $3?
Yeah.
So Subispeed sells it more expensive, but I'll put the links in the description below if you want to get it for like $3. So we're heating up the emblems a little bit, kind of just wave it back and forth. Turn it off, and like try to pry it out. Watch. Let me it's hot. So you want to open the door so you can have that more clearance. Ah, hot.
A few moments later.
There you go, you hear that adhesive pulling off. There you go. One clip off. There's a clip, right?
Yeah.
So you got the clip off. Are you pulling off the fender? You're supposed to be pulling off this.
This, like this, right?
Yeah, there you go. You popped up the clips for the fender to, well, I think, yeah, it's just all adhesive. There's not even really supposed to pop off the clip. Crazy guy. There you go, now you guys know. Don't pop up that clip. You can pop it back in. Generally people would do like use rubbing alcohol and then just wipe it down so it gets it really clean, there's no grease. So when you apply your next badge, it's really adhere well. You don't want it to fall off during a hot summer. Get it.
Yeah, I was peeling off like the entire thing. I was like, oh, this is not gonna work.
Dude, putting his emblems on. You only got one shot.
Oh, there we go. Should we open this up or?
No, just push as hard as you can. Put like keep it, yeah, push, massage it in. One shot. And then just keep it pressed down for like 10 seconds. 10 to 15 seconds, just count off.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Get a good look at it. So you can see the fitment. This one's more flush. So yeah, so we'll compare it to the stock one. So there is a little, like a nail kind of, you can fit, but I'm pretty sure that's how it is on the other side too. The stock one has the same kind of, it kind of pops out a little bit too. Not as much though. It does have a nail, but that's just because it's embedded out, extruded out. This emblem, what do you think, man?
It looks really nice. I can't wait to see it flow with the rest of the car.
Would you recommend this emblem to anyone else?
Yeah, definitely. If it's part of your color scheme. But I mean, I've definitely seen blue WRXs rock the red black side badge. So
Red's just a good color.
it just looks good.
Red is sporty, dude. I don't even have this. You're too cool, dude. Woo! All right. Peace. Shoot, we're here out with John Paul, YouTube. We actually finished